We were very happy and delighted to host for breakfast the Right Honorable former Prime Minister Raila Odinga, who we believe is on his way to becoming the 5th president of this country. And the history towards this meeting is some 4 weeks back. We received instructions from our President, Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta, His Excellency, to work together with his brother, Honorable Raila, as we build on the efforts they are making in uniting the country. We have common objectives in terms of securing the gains for our region that were contained within the BBI, the electoral resources, equitable representation, security for our people, respect for our leaders, respect for our people who work within government, and how all those and projects that are ongoing and how all those can be sustained going forward in the future. And this morning, after breakfast, we've had a little discussion, and the former Prime Minister has taken us through the journey that we come so far in working together with the President, and has assured us that the interests of our region will be safe with him, because he's got a commitment that is shared with the President in securing the gains for our region, in security of our people, the business people, and ensuring that our prosperity can be enhanced as we build the GDP to double-digit numbers. So basically, that's what we were about 25 members of Parliament. We have apologies from those who are outside the country and those who couldn't make it, and we continue engaging on a regular basis. We meet every Thursday, but we will continue engaging, and he's also invited us to another meeting at his residence, where we probably have a bigger number, and we will continue engaging and seeing what we do as we represent the interests of our people.
We are going to continue engaging more, and so you can see we are a big team, and there are others who are with us and are not able to join us today. So it's a beginning of a new journey, and we are very happy that we have started with this kind of conversation. We also have liked the approach of Baba coming to talk to us, humbling himself, because we are tired of people chest thumping and looking for our support by force. So from today, we have started a new journey, and we're going to work together.
We are committed to fighting poverty so that we can raise our people prosperity. We are committed to ensuring good health for our people, that each and every Kenyan, when he or she is sick, has to get proper quality medical attention. We are committed to ensuring that our children get good education from nursery through primary, secondary, up to high school, up to universities. We are committed to ensure that our youth become the engine of growth and development, but by imparting skills to this youth, and secondly, give them opportunity to create wealth. We also want to take care of our aged population. We also want to ensure that our women get equal opportunity to be able to participate meaningfully in our economy. We look after our disabled people in this country. We will ensure that every corner of this country is looked after by the government. This is what we want to do. This is our commitment. And if we do this, we will be able to achieve the Kenyan dream as coined by the founding fathers of our nation. I thank my host this morning for what they have done this morning, and I've told them that I'm looking for partners, not followers, in the mountain. And I'm sure because that partnership, produced independence for the independence of this country. And that partnership will liberate this country to prosperity. I think.